Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Chill English Time. I'm Emma.
And I'm Michael, and today's episode is one that is very, very close to our hearts.
Because today we are talking about something that every single person watching this video already does: studying English.
That's right. Today you will follow Rose through a full day of learning English, from deciding to sign up for an English class, to studying at home, to practicing with a friend.
And the beautiful thing about today's episode is this: Rose is a beginner, just like many of you. She makes mistakes, she feels nervous, she doesn't always know the right word, and that is completely okay.
Because that is how you learn. You try, you make mistakes, you try again, and little by little, you get better every single day.
We have 5 real, simple, natural dialogues today, all A1 and A2 level. Short sentences, easy vocabulary, and very useful situations that you can relate to right now.
You can listen once, then listen again and repeat. Pause the video anytime. Practice the sentences out loud. That is the best way to learn.
Before we start, if this is your first time here, welcome to Chill English Time. We are so happy you found us. Please subscribe right now so you never miss a new episode. We post every single week.
And if you already love this channel, give us a thumbs up right now. Every like really helps us reach more English learners around the world. It means a lot.
Leave us a comment too. Tell us, why are you learning English? Is it for travel, for work, for school, for fun? Write it below. We read every single comment.
Okay, let's follow Rose on her English learning journey. This one is going to inspire you. Let's go.
Rose, you've been on that laptop for an hour. What are you doing? I'm looking for English classes. I've decided. I want to study English seriously. Really? That's great. What made you decide that? So many things, Lucy. At work, my boss always sends emails in English, and I can't understand everything. It makes me feel bad. I understand. English is so important for work these days. And remember last month when we met those tourists and they asked for directions? I couldn't say anything. I just stood there. Oh yes, you turned completely red. I know, it was so embarrassing. I don't want to feel that way anymore. I want to speak with confidence. Good for you, Rose. So what kind of class are you looking for? I'm looking for something for beginners. My English is very basic right now. I know some words, but I can't make full sentences. That's okay. Everyone starts somewhere. Have you found anything good? There's a school called City English Academy. They have beginner classes on Tuesday and Thursday evenings, 2 hours each class. That sounds perfect. Tuesday and Thursday works with your schedule, right? Yes, I finish work at 6 and the class starts at 7. I have 1 hour to eat and get there. That's enough time. And how much does it cost? It's $80 a month for 8 classes. I think that's a good price. I think so too. Rose, you should do it. Don't wait. Just sign up today. You're right. I always say I'll do it later and then I never do it. Today, I'm going to sign up. Yes, do it right now. I'll sit here with you. Okay, I'm clicking sign up and done. I'm registered. Yes, Rose, congratulations. This is the first step and it's the most important one. I did it. I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited too. My first English class is next Tuesday. You're going to do amazing. I'm so proud of you. Thank you, Lucy. I really needed that push. Here we go.
Hello. Welcome to City English Academy. Is this your first class with us? Yes, I'm a little nervous. I hope that's okay. Of course it's okay. Everyone feels nervous on the first day. That's completely normal. What's your name? My name is Rose. Rose Carter. Beautiful name. I'm Sarah, your teacher. Nice to meet you, Rose. Nice to meet you too, Teacher Sarah. Just Sarah is fine. We're very relaxed here. So, Rose, why do you want to learn English? For my work, mainly. My boss sends a log of emails in English, and I want to understand them. And also for travel. I want to travel more. Those are wonderful reasons. Work and travel. Very practical. Have you studied English before? A little bit. In school, many years ago, but I've forgotten most of it. I remember some basic words. That's perfectly fine. We start from the very beginning here. No pressure. We go step by step. That's a relief. I was worried the class would be too fast for me. Not at all. And if something is too fast or you don't understand, just raise your hand or tell me after class. I always have 5 minutes after the lesson for questions. That's really helpful. Thank you. Can I ask, how many students are in this class? We have 8 students total, a small group, so everyone gets personal attention. You'll like it. 8 students. That's perfect. Not too many. Exactly. And everyone here is a beginner, just like you. So you're all in the same boat. In the same boat. What does that mean? Great question. In the same boat means everyone has the same situation, same level, same challenges. Nobody is better than anyone else here. Oh, I like that expression. In the same boat. I'll remember that. Perfect. You're already learning. Okay, class is starting in 2 minutes. Are you ready, Rose? Ready. Well, a little nervous, but ready. That's the spirit. Welcome to your English journey, Rose. It starts right now.
Okay, Rose, let's practice. Today we learned how to introduce ourselves. You go first.
Okay. Hello, my name is Rose. I am from here. I live in this city. I work in an office. I like reading and cooking. Nice to meet you.
Very good. That was really good, Rose. Clear and natural.
Really? I forgot the word for cocina in English. I said cooking. Is that right?
Yes, cooking is correct. You like cooking. Very good.
Okay, your turn now. Introduce yourself.
Okay. Hello. My name is Dan. I am 28 years old. I am how do you say ingeniero?
Oh, engineer. I think it's engineer.
Engineer, yes. I am an engineer. I like football and music. Nice to meet you, Rose.
Nice to meet you too, Dan. We did it.
We did. It was a little slow, but that's okay. We are beginners.
Yes, Sarah said it's okay to be slow. The important thing is to speak.
Exactly. Okay, let's practice the next thing, asking questions. The book says, "Where are you from? What do you do? Do you have any brothers or sisters?"
Okay, ask me a question.
Okay. Rose, where are you from?
I am from this city. I was born here. And you?
I am from a small town near the coast. I moved here 3 years ago for work.
Oh, interesting. Do you miss your town?
Yes, a little, but I like the city too. Okay, next question. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger brother. His name is Alex. He is 22. And you?
I have 2 sisters, both older than me. They are very bossy.
Bossy. I know that word. My brother is bossy too sometimes.
Okay, Rose, I think we are getting better. Shall we order another coffee and practice one more time?
Yes, one more time. And this time, faster. No stopping.
Deal. Ready, go.
What are you doing? Do you want to come watch a movie tonight?
Hi, Tom. I can't tonight. I'm studying English.
English? Still? You've been studying every night this week.
I know, but I have a class tomorrow and I want to be prepared. I'm learning new vocabulary.
What kind of vocabulary?
Things for daily life, like grocery store, bank account, make an appointment. Useful things.
Oh, those are useful. Say something in English to me.
Okay. Tom, would you like to go to the grocery store with me on Saturday?
Wow, that was good. I understood everything.
Really? Thank you. I'm getting better, I think, little by little.
Definitely. You sound different, more confident. How long have you been taking classes?
Only 2 weeks, but I study every day for at least 30 minutes, even on weekends.
30 minutes every day. That's serious. What do you do for 30 minutes?
I review my notes from class, I practice new words, I repeat sentences out loud, and I watch short videos in English with subtitles.
With subtitles in English or in Spanish?
First in Spanish, then in English. My teacher says that's a great method for beginners.
That's smart. Your teacher sounds good.
She's amazing, very patient, and very clear. She never makes us feel stupid when we make a mistake.
That's so important. Okay, Rose, I have an idea. Instead of watching a movie tonight, why don't I come over and we practice English together? I'll be your study partner.
You? But your English is not much better than mine.
Exactly. We can be bad at English together. That's even better.
Okay. Come over, bring some snacks, and we'll practice together.
Perfect. See you in 20 minutes. And Rose, I'm proud of you. You're really working hard.
Thank you, Tom. That means a lot. See you soon.
Wow, what an episode! From Rose signing up for her first class, to meeting her teacher, to studying with a friend, to getting amazing advice from her school advisor.
Rose's journey in this episode is your journey too. Every single person learning English goes through these exact same moments. The nervousness, the small victories, the mistakes, and the growth.
And the most important thing Rose learned today is fall, get up, try again. That is not just advice for learning English, that is advice for life.
You are going to make mistakes. That is not a problem. That is the process. Every mistake you make means you are trying, and trying is everything.
Think about Rose's routine: 30 minutes a day, every day. Review her notes, practice new words, repeat sentences out loud, watch videos in English. Small steps, consistent steps, and the results are real.
You can do the exact same thing starting today, starting right now. After this video, go practice one sentence from today's episode. Just one. That is your challenge.
Pick your favorite sentence from any dialogue today. Say it out loud. Repeat it 3 times, and then write it in the comments below. In English, we want to read it.
And if this episode motivated you even a little bit, please give it a big thumbs up right now. It costs you nothing, and it helps us so much.
Subscribe too if you haven't already. We have a new episode every week with real conversations, real situations, and real English for your real life.
Next week, Rose has a job interview in English. She's nervous, she's prepared, and things don't go exactly as planned. It's going to be a very special episode. You will not want to miss it.
This is Chill English Time, where every learner is welcome, every mistake is okay, and every day is a new chance to grow.
I'm Emma.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Keep studying, keep speaking, keep going. Bye.